Hello everyone and welcome back to Grace's Space. Today we are going to making a DIY bleached t-shirt. So what you do is you would get something like lace, put it onto the t-shirt and then spray it with bleach. So then once you wash it, it would have a pretty design on it. I honestly just saw this on Instagram and thought it looked cool, and so I wanted to try it out with you guys so you can see how it went. On the inside we put a cardboard piece so that our area would be flat and we would be able to do this easier. So I have it lined up around my midriff, but you can actually do it above here, down here, spread them out as much as you want, or you can use one whole piece, or you could use one whole piece and then just design the shirt that way. So now it is time to spray it with the bleach. I'm not using gloves because I'm not using gloves. Probably not the smartest idea, but
ooh, it's all going now.
why did we have to get in your bottle? I can speak. We have sprayed my t-shirt with the all over with the bleach, into the area that I want. And so now I'm going to put this outside so it can dry because we live in Houston and have 100-degree weather currently, so that's fun. So I guess I'll see you after that. So yeah, I lied, I'm back. So you're gonna wanna peel the lace off, or whatever you put on. You wanna peel that off before you set it outside to dry. So now I'll see you after it dries. So these have finished drying, and this is the final product. Well, of course we're gonna wash it so that we don't smell like Clorox whenever we go out and about. So this one was mine, and my sister wanted to do one as well, so she did one where she actually just sprayed everywhere and said, okay, let's do it like this. So little announcement. I thought that y'all would like to know that I am doing a Q&A, and I need questions in order to answer them because that's sort of the point of it. So ask me some questions in the comment section down below. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe so that you can get more awesome videos like this. Anyway, see y'all next time. Bye!